Hey guys, so I have this Moen faucet for the bathroom. It's some contractor grade, bottom of the barrel shit, but I'm having low flow compared to the other ones out of this faucet. So follow along with me as I try to fix it up, and I've done one already, and I'll tell you that it, it gets gunked up in there. But the great part about it is that since I fucked up on the other ones, I'll show you what's okay and what's not okay to do. So that's pretty good. You'll get to learn from my fuck ups. This is pretty much what you'll need. A little light. I just put that light to aim up. Screwdriver, pick, and X-Acto knife. So follow along. Let's see if we can get this done. So I usually just put that there. So there's your screen. If you notice here, let's see it here. You see these, the little castles sticking up right there, each one of those. So there's a tool. There's a tool that is for those. It fits in here, and you lock it in place, and you screw it. It's like a spanner. Now I could go buy that, but since I'm not doing the entire house, I'm just gonna do this one. Do it with the pick and the screwdriver, and we'll see how it goes. If yours is pretty clogged up, it may be a little difficult to get it started, but it'll come out. Word to the wise: if you break this screen here, it's no big deal. Zero big deal. The other one that I did, I broke this screen with a screwdriver, and honestly, it works fine. There is no issues with it. We're gonna take the aerator out, clean it, and remove that stupid regulator. Yeah, I don't know why they put that in there, for some governmental reason, just some giant rigmarole of water safety and conservation. I don't know. I don't need it. I'm taking it off. So, at this point, I'm over it. It might be illegal in your state. I don't know. I unfortunately don't care, because I am overreaching government. Which means, never mind. I'm not gonna start expressing my political views on here. Safe to say, I'm not a right winger. I'm not a left winger. I'm a third winger here. I hate all governments. Red, blue, doesn't matter. They're all pieces of shit. Did that spin? I don't know if it does spin. Okay, it didn't spin. So I'm gonna try it with the screwdriver, something a little bigger. So all I'm trying to do is get that one of those little castles there, like that. Push that left. There it is. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry if you can't see it. I'm trying to. That's probably because I'm trying to tighten it, right? That's probably why it's not working, because I'm trying to fucking tighten it, because I'm an idiot. That's probably why it didn't work. It moved, but all I did was tighten it further. There it is. So you can use the screwdriver on each one of those little prongs, or whatever they're called. I call them castles. Are they castles? Probably not, but I don't know if you can see the fucking rigmarole that I'm doing here. All I'm doing is, that's all I'm doing. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Don't be an idiot like me and tighten it further. And you might have gunk coming out of here too. I'm sorry if it's not the greatest quality, but it's weird. It's weird trying to do this with one hand and holding the camera with another. But we're gonna try to make it work. So we're up to that point. You can see the little grooves where that wrench would catch, or where I'm catching it with the screwdriver. I'm just going to continue doing it doing that. Now, what did happen to me on the other one with this was that I got it to about here, and it was continuously spinning, but it would not come out. So my dumbass decided that I was going to stick a screwdriver here and try to pop it down. And you see that little blue thing right there? That's a gasket. So I ended up breaking the gasket. The little blue guy, you see it? I ended up breaking that gasket. And as it turns out, you don't actually need... And I reinstalled it without the gasket. As it turns out, I don't know what it's for, but it's not needed. So you see how this is spinning and not kind of not going anywhere, just spinning for the fuck of it. So here's what I did. I just did that, and I just turned it on, and it shot out the aerator. So you see all that little gunk there? That's all sediment, and in my case, that's iron. In my case, that's iron from my water softener. Filters out everything except the iron, so I gotta do some iron cleaning every now and again. But I guess this is from... I've never actually done it on this one. I'm sorry, I mean that when I bought the house, they had the water softener installed, so I'm certain this is prior to my arrival on here. And this is what it looks like without the water softener, without the aerator. I'm sorry, it just kind of goes wherever the hell it wants. And so now all I'm going to do is clean that one, clean up the surface. This is my wife's one, the one that we just did. What's that? Did that close on the floor come out on the camera? I guess we'll see. I don't edit shit, so we'll see how it comes out. I don't edit because I don't know how to edit. I need to really take a class on it or something. I don't know. Either way. So this is your aerator here. Sorry guys, sorry for the movement. You can see the iron flakes in there, and the screen, and this is the bottom. Like I was saying, I was trying to catch those little, I call them castles. Looks like a rook from chess. So I was just trying to catch them and spin them, and I did. You saw that crap that came out. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this screen. I'm trying to get the focus. I'm trying to get this to focus. Okay, so if you look right there, sorry guys, jeez, my hands are shaking. Got an Adderall on board. So if you look right here, there is a line. I don't know if you see it on the camera. There's a line right there from where this screen is separate from this outer white plastic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pry that screen out. Shit. Like I said, I don't edit nothing, so I hope this comes out well. So I got it here. I'm gonna try to put it right there in the corner, in the edge. And I'm gonna go down because I don't want to. I'm trying not to cut myself here. There it is. So that screen came out, flying out. That's your screen for debris. I don't know if I didn't put it back on the other one. I'm not gonna put it back here. And then this is your flow restrictor. Your government issued flow restrictor. So I guess the takeaways from this is that if you're doing this for the first time and that screen, if it breaks while you're doing it, no big deal. If that blue O-ring right there breaks, once again, no big deal. Now, if you're gonna ask me if I was removing the whole house of these, right? If I was doing the whole entire house, then I'd probably get the tool. I would probably get the tool. because I can't imagine being that pricey. I think they were like $8 or some shit on Amazon. But I wanted to get it done today, and I don't. You see, it started bunching up right there. Apparently, that's a thing. Let's see. Back it out again. Oh, great. Hang on. Stand by, guys. Okay, let's try this again. Probably just because I'm at an angle trying to put this in there. Sorry for the shitty screen work, guys. I really am. I wouldn't watch this if that was me. It's just so shitty screen work. Hey, you see how it's coming out? I need 2 hands for this. Oh yeah, that's not gonna work. Alright. So I'm gonna try to do 2 hands with this, guys. I'll be right back. So guys, I managed to get the ring to seat. Turns out I was just putting too much pressure on one side, mainly the right side as I was turning it, and that's what was causing the O-ring to bunch up. So for that part, you'll need 2 hands to you know, spin it equally, I guess I should say, or spin it with the same amount of pressure on both sides. But that's basically it, guys. I'm just gonna tighten this up some more. There it is. And this is just, gotta clean all this mess up here, all the iron, but wow, that is a substantial improvement. Well, guys, that's basically it. For Moen or anybody that has that inner aerator, I may remove all of them. I don't know yet. I'll figure it out as I go along. And yeah, I hope this video helps somebody. This specific one is for the Moen, but I think it works for most of the other companies because I think they're all made by the same factory in China. But that's what it is. It is what it is. Thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you hit that like and follow, button on down there, and I'll have some more stupid projects that I get into. Take care. Thanks.